Hello students, myself Manoj Kumar. Today I am going to explain the preparation test of early examinations of set 5, which is based on chapter 8 addition and subtraction of the fractions. And this is the first question of your test, that is the preparation test of half early examination. The first question is that sum of 2 by 9 and 5 by 9. So how can we adding them? We can adding 2 by 9. There is a 2 by 9 and a plus 2 by 9. We can write in this way 2 by 9 and plus. Here is the plus sign. And now another fractions is here 5 by 9. 5 by 9. In both the fractions, you see that the denominators are same 9 and 9. So we can add this type of the fractions in this way. Add all the numerators of both these fractions. Now how can we add in them? 2 plus 5, we get the 7. And now write the 9 as a common denominator which comes in both the fractions. So now our answer will be 7 by 9. This is the very easy additions. We have already discussed in this chapters also. Now here is the question number 2. 16 by 21, 4 by 21 and plus 1 by 21. When we add all of all the numerators in three fractions, 1, 2 and the 3, we get 21 by 21. Okay, we get the 21 by 21. We can change into the standard form by dividing it 21, and we also dividing by 21 in these numbers. We get the numbers is here 1. So which options? Here is the option B. So answer will be B. Okay, understood? So in both the sum, here is the sum of the two fractions, here is the sum of the three fractions. But the similarities between them are the fractions. These are the like fractions. This is also like fractions. How can you say that these are the like fraction? The like fraction are the fractions which has the same denominators. Okay. Now let us see question number 3. What the question number 3 say? Add 4 by 9 and 5 by 6. This is the another type of the additions where we see that the denominators are different. This type of this denominators are different. And how can we adding these two type of the fractions? Now here is the 4 by 9 and another is the numbers is which numbers 5 by 6. Write in this way. Firstly 5 by 6. You have already learned that. How can we adding them? But in this way, we can write 9 and 6. 9 and 6. Write the LCM of 9 and 6. The LCM of 9 and 6 is 18. Here is the 18. 9 divided with this 18 and the quotient becomes 2. So then this quotient is multiplied to the numerator of the first fractions, and now add 6 divided to this 18, 6 3 is 18, and now 5 multiplied this 3. And now in this way when we solve this type of the questions, we get 8 8 plus 15 by 18 by 18. We can write in this way 8 plus 15. What the numbers is here? 8 by 15. 8 plus 15 is equal to 23. 23 by 18. Or when we change into the mixed fractions, 18 divided is 23. We can write in this way. Here, 1 whole 5 by which numbers? Yes, 1 whole 5 by 18. When we divide 18 to the 23, we get the 1 as a quotient, and 1 as 1 is the quotient which is right in as it makes the whole, and the remainder is the right numerators, and 18 is the divisor. Now answer will be 1 whole 5 by 18. So answer becomes A. Now here is another question, 3 whole 2 by 7 plus 2 whole 3 by 7. Sum of, when we adding all these two numbers, this is the very simple. First, we will change it into the simplest form. This is the mixed numbers. Then we change into the mixed form. We get the 7 3 is 21 and 2 23 by 7 plus 7 2 is 14 plus 3 17 by 7. When we adding all these two numbers, we get the answer become 5 whole 5 by 7. Okay. And now here is the another type of the questions. Question number 7. 0 plus 2 by 3. When we add 0 plus 2 by 3, you know that when we add any numbers to 0, we will, the values will be same. So here is the 2 by 3 and here is answer will be 2 by 3. And now find the sum of 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 and the 3 by 4. Here is the same question. Which type of this question is discussed in the previous slides, such as question number 2. So we can add all the numerators, 1 plus 1 plus 3, we get the 5, and the 4 is the denominator of right under it. So answer will be 5 by 4. Now here is the 9 and 10. What is the sum of the reciprocal of 8 and 1 by 6? 8. What is the meaning of the reciprocal? Reciprocal means subtraction change, numerator change into the denominator change into the uh, numerator. So now write the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 8. Reciprocal of 8 is equal to 1 by 8. And now reciprocal of 1 by 6. Reciprocal of 1 by 6 is equal to only 6. 6 by 1, it means only 6. When we add both these two numbers, yani 1 by 8 plus 6, which answer comes? 6 whole 1 by 8. This is the answer is here. 6 whole 1 by 8. Okay, understood? So according to this question, what is the sum of the reciprocal of 8? So first we will write reciprocal of 8 1 by 8 and reciprocal of 1 by 6 is equal to 6. When we add 1 by 8 and 1 6, we get the 6 whole 1 by 8. Now here is another question, 2 by 9 plus 5 by 9. Here is the very simple questions. 9 is the same denominator. When we adding 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5 we equal to 7. 7 by 9. So in this way we can solve this type of the question which is related to the chapter 8. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you understand how can we solve these type of the question which is based on addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay, thank you.